Good morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you? How are you, dear kids? Good morning, good morning, good morning, dear kids. How are you all? Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Yes? Yes, we are going to learn English subject. Yes? Match the following words with their correct groups. As you already learned about vowels. Yes? Now we will match the sound of A vowels. Okay? Yes. Look at here very carefully. All these words are related to A sound. A says A. Okay? A-T at, A-B app and A-G ag. What you have to do is you have to read the spellings and you have to match it with the same sound. Okay? At the very first we will match the lab. Lab. A-B ab. Ab. L-A-B lab. Ab. Lab. Ab. S sound. L-A-B lab. Ab. Okay. Then B-A-G bag. Okay. Bag. A-G ag. B-A-G bag. Okay. Then R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. Okay. Then B-A-T bat. B-A-T bat. As sound again. Yes? Understood? You also do it in your textbook beta. Okay? English textbook page number 2626. Okay? Yes. Now this side. First spelling is T-A-B tab. Now look at here very carefully. We have to search the last two word beta. A-B app. A-B app. App. Tab. Ab. Tab. Okay? Like this way you have to match the sounds. C-A-B cab. Again A-B ab. Yes? Now A-G ag. T-A-G tag. Like this way you have to match. Then H-A-T hat. Last word you have to match with A-T at. At hat. All these words are related to vowel A sound. A. Okay? Tag, cab, tag, hat. Then lab, bag, rat. Then bat. Okay? Yes. What you have to do is take out your textbook beta, all of you. Take out your English textbook and page number 2626. Yes, you have to match all this and same thing you have to write it here beta. Okay? Along the spelling. Okay? Yes, dear kids, take out page number 2828. Now we will match the words along with the picture. Join the dots to match A sound words with the correct pictures. Okay? Bat. Where is bat? Now we have to search for the picture. Where is bat? Yes, here it is. So we have to match bat spelling with the picture. Okay? Then cap. C-A-P. Cap. Where is beta? Where is the cap? Yes, here it is. So you have to match along with cap. Then F-A-N, fan. Where is fan? Yes, here it is. Then H-A-T, hat. Where is hat? Yes. Then Y-A-M, yam. So you have to match along with yam. Like this way you have to complete page number 2828. Okay. Now we will move to the next page, that is 2920. Yes, dear kids, take out page number 2929. What you have to do is look at the pictures and tick the correct words. Also write the correct names in the given space. What you have to do is yes, dear kids, what you have to do is you have to look the picture, then you have to do the correct spelling. So this is lad, L-A-D, lad. So tick lad here. Okay. Then identify this picture. This is jam. So you have to tick here J-A-M, jam. Now look at this picture. What is this, beta? This is D-A-D, dad, or B-A-D, bad? This is D-A-D, dad. Okay. And B-A-D, bad, or H-A-D, hat. What is this? This is bad. Okay. So you have to tick B-A-D, bad here. Okay. Now look at this picture. Which picture is this? This is Y-A-M, yam, or D-A-M, dam. This is D-A-M, dam. So we have to tick here. Okay. Now next is, which picture is this? Just identify this picture. This is writing pad. Okay, which used to write. Okay. So this is P-A-D, pad, not S-A-D, sad. So we have to tick on P-A-D, pad. Yes, dear kids, like this way you have to complete page number 2929, beta. And whichever spelling we had ticked here, you have to write here, beta, as per the given numbers. Okay. Yes, dear kids, number 1 I will tell you how to do, and rest of it is your homework. Okay. So you have to write number 1, L-A-D, lad. Number 1, lad here. Okay. L-A-D. Like this you have to complete all 6 words. Okay. Now dear kids, take out page number 3030. What you have to do is look at the pictures, pick the correct letters from the box given below and write them in the correct letter groups. Okay. You have to join the letters with its correct group according to the pictures. Okay बेटा, आपको एक एक अल्फ़ाबेट यहाँ से लेना है और आपको इसके साथ ऐड करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पिक्चर. ओके. सो shall we start how to solve this? Yes, what this boy is doing, nap, यानी झपकी है ना. So you have to write N over here, N-A-P, nap. Okay, N. Then which picture is this? This is fan. So you have to take F from here and you have to write it here, F-A-N, fan. Then which picture is this? This is lap. Lap means गोद होता है ना? So you have to take L from the box, okay? And you have to write it here, L. And along with writing, you have to read the letters also. Read the words also. L-A-P, lap. Lap means गोद. And look at this picture. What is this? This is map. Map means naksha, है ना? So you have to, which alphabet is going to suitable for the here? That is M. So you have to write M over here. And then you have to read also M-A-P, map. Yes, dear kids, who is this? He is a man. So you have to take M. And you have to write C here, C-A-P, cap. Yes, now we will read. Yes, dear kids, you have to read all this spelling and you have to write the same spelling here also, okay? N-A-P, nap, F-A-N, fan, L-A-P, lap, M-A-P, map, M-A-N, man, T-A-P, tap, and C-A-P, cap. Like this way you have to complete the page number 3030. You have to write the same spelling here in the blank boxes, okay? Now dear kids, take out page number 3131. 3131. Yes, write 3 words for each group given below. What you have to do is, already 2 letters I had given here. You have to mix one more letter and you have to make it 3 letter words, okay? Like C-A-T, cat, then B-A-T, bat, then F-A-T, fat, okay? Now our next word is AB words. You have to include one more alphabet like T-A-B, tap, C-A-B, cap, okay? Then N-A-B, nap. Now we have to, like the same way we have to do AG words also. One more alphabet we have to add, that is B-A-G, bag, T-A-G, tag, then R-A-G, rag. Next is A-D, add. So one more alphabet you have to add is that D-A-D, dad, okay? Then B-A-D, bad, then L-A-D, lad. Like this way you have to complete the 3-letter words, okay? A-D, 3-letter words. Now the next one is A-M, am. So D-A-M, dam. J-A-M, jam. R-A-M, ram. Now A-N, an. We have to include one more word, that is M-A-N, N, man. One more alphabet here. So we get MAN, man. CAN, can. Then last one is FAN, fan. Fan. Okay. By the same way you have to complete AP. Along with AP you have to add one more alphabet, that is LAP, lap, along with reading. Okay. Then MAP, map. Then GAP, gap. Yes dear kids, like this way you have to complete page number 3131. I think you had understood how to complete till page number 3131. Yes beta? Yes. This is your homework. Page number 3030 is your homework. Okay? Okay. Bye bye. See you next class. Till then, take care.